How's it going, honey? Is it going in?
Push it.
Crooked.
That's why push it right here. That you're pulling it.
Hello, YouTube. When we bought our truck camper, it did not have an outside shower. This is something that I really wanted to have, and fortunately, everything was pretty much in place for such an installation. The pipes were there in the compartment and some wooden braces where the original shower would have been attached. I found a picture of the original outside shower on the internet, and I measured the compartment where it would go. We then purchased an aftermarket shower compartment from Amazon. It required some modification, such as removing the locking door and cutting down parts of the outside rim. We got it to fit, drilled the holes, and my wife screwed it in tight. It works just fine, and we are very happy with it.
I am unboxing the outside shower compartment that we just received from Amazon. We need to cut this part of the plastic rim.
Push it.
Crooked.
That's why push it right here.
Yeah.
That you're pulling it.
And now we're screwing in the outside shower that we modified. My wife, Marilyn, is tightening the screw from the inside. She has small hands and is able to get in there easily. How's it going, honey? Is it going in? Okay, here.
Good na?
On, off.
Right here.
See, I took out the flow restrictor, otherwise there wouldn't be so much water. Yeah.
I think it's much better to have it there. That's
The flow restrictor?
Yeah,
Less water will come out.
that's good because we need to conserve water.
Well, not right now. We're going to refill it. Maybe later. We'll see.
So it's somewhat kind of hard to take it out from the back, do you know?
What are you talking about? Oh, I see. Because all we have to do is unscrew it there, push it in, and screw it back down. But I like it the way it is.
Now we have an outside shower.
We are very focused on getting everything right and ready before we leave. We appreciate you coming along with us on this journey. Until I see you next time, keep it real.